Hello, welcome to video number 3 of proportion. This one is on percent proportion. So now that we know how to do all of our multiplying vertically, horizontally, or most often cross multiply, and we know how to solve for a number, I think that we can do this percent thing. So we need a little bit of something to help us remember how to do it. So I'm going to use a capital P for percent, and then we're going to use the words is and of. So we know that a percent is something out of 100, right? 40 out of 100 is 40%. It's got to be out of 100. So I'm going to use a capital P. And then I'm going to say is over of. So this is how we make the percent equal to a number that we're looking for, another fraction. So we often see this in word problems. They're short. You have to be able to decipher what it is, but it's pretty easy. All the words give themselves away. For example, 42 is 60% of what? So we just need to fill in all of the blanks. So I can see if I have my P over 100 is over of, I have a 60, well, let's start at the beginning. 42 is, okay? 42 goes in the is spot. 60%. 60 goes in this spot of what? Question mark or letter. X, N, whatever you like to use. So now we can solve for this. I'm going to leave this one alone and show you a couple of other ones, but you could say, oh, can I do something? Can I make 60 into 100 by multiplying? No, I can't do that. Can I make 60 or 42 into the other? But no, I can't do that. So you're going to have to cross multiply to do this. So I'm going to tell you, though, instead of doing the full business right now, the way that it is, you could, but you could also reduce. So I'm going to reduce 60 and 100 because those are huge numbers. So first I'm going to reduce it by dividing by 10. So I'm going to get 6 out of 10 equals 42 over n. I could cross multiply right now if I wanted to, or I could see that this can be even smaller. I can divide both of these by 2, and therefore I could get 3 out of 5 equals 42 over n. And now I can do my cross multiplying and get a nice smaller number. You could punch those in your calculator, end up with 3n equals, and I did this on my, I can't remember where I got it, but 42 times 5 is 10. That is 210. So then you could divide both sides by 3 to get n by itself, and you would get n equals 70. So you could fill in your 70. 42 is 60% of 70. And this is how you do a percent proportion. I'm going to erase this really quickly and show you just a couple more sentences because they're going to be mixed up a few different ways. So what if I said, what is, what do I have here? 30% of 24. I'm really just going to show you how to fill in this equation again, and then you can do a whole bunch of different things, however it suits you the best to do your math. So I'm going to write it out, P over 100, it is over of, just really get used to doing that. What is, question mark, what is, we don't know, 30%, sure, I'll put my 30% in there, of 24. Put my 24 in there. You can reduce this, or you don't have to. If you just want to cross multiply, change this to an n or an x, whatever you like, you'll have 100n equals 30 times 24. Put that in your calculator and you can get it. If you don't have a calculator, I would recommend dividing by 10 and get 3 over 10 equals n over 24. You might have a little bit easier time doing your multiplying there. And one last one is, what percent What if you don't know the percent? Is 5 of 20. Again, percent is something out of 100, is over of. What percent? I don't know. Is 5 of 20. And there you go. You just continue on. This could also be reduced. You could divide each of these by 5 if you wanted to, or you can leave it the same. Your math will turn out the same in the end. Practice it, practice it, practice it, and now you know all of the ways of proportion. Good job.